Hi, my name is Dr. Steve Kessel. I'm the Director of Marine Research at the Shedd Aquarium. We're currently in the Exuma Cays on the third Shedd Shark research trip. The Shedd Shark research program is in conjunction with the Bahamas National Trust and the Department of Marine Resources, and we have three main goals for the research program. The first goal is general abundance and biodiversity, describing how that varies throughout the Bahamas and specifically here throughout the Exuma Cays. The second goal is to assess the benefits of the Bahamas Shark Sanctuary on the long term, both here in the Bahamas, to the Bahamian economy and to the ecosystems, the marine ecosystems here in the Bahamas, and how the sharks, the healthy shark populations can benefit those, and also on the broader scale to the surrounding regions, the broader Caribbean. And the third goal is to look at the theory of carrying capacity and shark abundance. And the Exuma Cays Land and Sea Park is the perfect place to assess that theory. Because in theory, the only thing defining shark abundance within the Exuma Cays Land and Sea Park is prey availability. The sharks are not fished anywhere in the Bahamas because of the Bahamas Shark Sanctuary, but their prey is fished outside of the park but not inside of the park. So we can actually assess and research that relationship between prey availability and shark abundance. And one of the things we use to do that is scientific long lines. We set long lines down with hooks, baited hooks for sharks, and that allows us to both assess abundance and biodiversity based on the individual sharks we catch, but also to actually get up close and personal with the sharks and take some biological samples. We can take blood samples, muscle samples, and also genetic samples and skin samples. These are all sublethal. The sharks are tagged and released in healthy condition, but those samples can tell us a lot about what the sharks are eating inside the Exuma Cays Land and Sea Park and outside of the park, and how that varies based on what the available prey is. So right now we're going to go set a long line and try and tag some sharks. We're also going to implant some Caribbean reef sharks with acoustic transmitters, and that's going to tell us a lot about their movements, their spatial ecology inside and outside the park. So we're going to do that now.